Hello students and welcome to our science class. Today we're going to talk about animals' life cycles. I want you to look at this picture. What do you see? It's a cow. And this is a deer. What about this one? This is a ladybug. And this is a butterfly. This is a bat. And this is a duck. And this is a frog. So as you can see, these are different kinds of animals. And as we've studied before, animals are living things. They are living things. They grow, change, and reproduce. Now the question is, what does reproduce mean? This is an adult butterfly. And this is its baby. What about this picture? This is a lion. And in this picture, you can see its baby. This is an adult bird. And these are its babies. This is an adult frog. And these are its babies. See? So reproduce means they make more animals of the same kind. Reproduce means they make more animals of the same kind. Now, some baby animals look like their parents, and some animals they don't look like their parents. Look at this picture here. This is a chicken and its chicks or its babies. Do they look like each other? Yes, they have a beak, they have feathers, they have wings. Now what about this lioness? This is its baby. They look like each other. They have the same features, right? The same body parts. This is a cow and its babies. They look like each other. And this is a fish and its baby. They look like each other too. So these are baby animals that look like their parents. Birds, mammals, fish, they have babies that look like their parents. Now I want you to look at this picture. This is an adult butterfly and this is its baby. Odd, right? They are very different. They have different features, different body parts. This adult butterfly has wings and 6 legs. This caterpillar or larva, it has many legs and it doesn't have any wings. So they are different. What about this adult frog and its baby? It's a tadpole. They look very different too. This adult frog has legs and he breathes with its lungs. It lives on land too. This tadpole lives in water, it has a tail, and it breathes with its gills. So these baby animals, this larva, this tadpole, they look very different of their parents. So these baby animals don't look like their parents. They don't look like their parents. Now, let's talk about the life cycle of a bird. The life cycle of a bird. So different kinds of animals grow in different ways. The steps of their life cycles are different. They are different. Now, let's start with the life cycle of a bird. As you can see, this is the life cycle of a chicken. A mother bird or a mother chicken lays eggs. It lays eggs. A chick grows inside this egg. Then it hatches from the egg. This is hatching, right? Now, it continues to grow to be an adult chicken. Adult chicken means it can reproduce again. It can reproduce. It can reproduce. What does reproduce mean? It means they make more living things or make more animals of the same kind. Let's take a look of this bird here. This is an adult bird. It lays eggs. A chick hatches from the egg. It continues to grow until it's an adult bird. So, egg, hatching, chick, adult. Adult means it can reproduce. Okay. Now look at this picture. This is a polar bear, right? This is a dog. Now, what are they doing? Look at this cat here. And this baby cow. They are drinking milk, right? They are drinking milk. These animals are mammals. They are mammals. What are mammals? They are animals that give birth. They give birth and breastfeed their young ones or their offsprings, their babies. So, this cat is breastfeeding its babies. This dog too. It breastfeeds its babies. So, mammals are animals that give birth and breastfeed their young ones. Now, mammals have babies that look like their parents, right? Let's have a look of this life cycle. It's a panda. It's an example of mammals. As we mentioned before, they give birth. So, mother panda or the female panda, the adult female panda, gives birth to a newborn. This is a newborn. It will grow until it's a baby. It will continue to grow to become a young panda. Then it will become an adult. Let's have another example. This is a rabbit life cycle. So, when a rabbit is fully grown, when it's an adult, it can reproduce. So, this is an adult rabbit. It can reproduce. A mother rabbit gives birth to a newborn. The mother's body makes milk. The babies drink that milk. Now, the rabbit grows more fur and gets bigger until it's an adult. So, newborn, baby, young, adult. Now, moving on to a frog life cycle. This is the frog life cycle. Frog and insects like butterflies, they have babies that don't look like their parents. They look very different from their parents, right? Because these animals change form as they grow to be adults. Let's have a look. A female frog lays its eggs on water. So these are the frog's eggs. A tadpole hatches from an egg. This is a tadpole. Young frog has legs and the tail will soon disappear. This tail will soon disappear. This is an adult frog and it can reproduce. Again, egg, tadpole, young frog, and it will grow into an adult frog. Adult frog. This is the life cycle of a frog. We're going to start with eggs, tadpole, young frog, and adult frog. This is the life cycle of a butterfly. A butterfly lays its egg on a plant or on a leaf. This is the egg of the butterfly. A larva, this is a larva, hatches from an egg. It eats the plant it is on. A pupa doesn't seem to be alive, but wings and legs are forming. Now the change is finished. The pupa has become a butterfly. It is an adult butterfly. It can lay eggs again. So, egg, larva, pupa, and adult butterfly. Adult butterfly. Adult means it can reproduce. It can reproduce. Okay, second graders, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed our lesson, and I'll see you next time.